What's going on? You already know it's your homie Jah'kota. I'm here at Hillcrest High School, and you know, we're just gearing up for Orange Shirt Day, which is definitely to honor the residential school legacy and all of the young boys and girls that were taken. You know, my grandmothers and a lot of my family on my mother's side actually attended residential school, so that legacy is actually very personal to me. But I'm here at Hillcrest High School. We're going to be doing a presentation performance. You know, that's something that we love to do, and so we're here today feeling really grateful about it. We got a special feature guest, Elberlyn Hill. You know, she's on tour right now, but she has a break quickly here in Ottawa. She's, you know, willing to join us to be able to spread this good message and share some of her music. So I'm really excited about that. We're here at Hillcrest High School. Bless up, stay tuned for this video on our presentation performance on a historical context of the history of Indigenous people within this country, but also my 2020 vision for the future. Stay tuned.
Ceremony, so let the drum sound. I appreciate all of you for being here. And we were the first all-female chief in council in Canada to represent women. So this is an amazing accomplishment of my grandmother, Lord Baby. So again, just to highlight, that is that I was raised with matriarchs. I was raised with women being leaders. This is normal for me. Who is the current chief of Ocean Man First Nation? This picture was just taken last month at Ocean Man's powwow. And so she's currently the reigning chief, and she's the daughter of Lord Baby. So I think it's important to put into context of who I am, how I was raised as a child, and how this history affects me personally. I got hold this light that is safe. I'm manifesting my dreams into the spiritual light. We gotta restore the balance. Red, black, yellow, and white. It's a full moon. I'm a genius. And I'll never pretend. There's no need to explain. Yeah, it's speaking, and now I'm here on the name. And I came from the spark, now it turns to a flame. This young woman is a young leader already. Not only is she a singer, songwriter, rapper, and artist, she's also leading her own workshops throughout northern communities. She's been up to Nunavut. She's currently in Nunavik. She's helping inspire young women. More spirit, we really need it. Sunrise, 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 sunrise. Thank you guys for participating today. We appreciate you. We're trying to change this country.